Good morning. Welcome to yesterday's coffee.
Ano, may jowa ka na ba?
One night stand lang. At hindi na mauulit.
Ako? Fall in love? Never.
Wala akong balak magka-jowa ulit.
I'm not the type of guy who commits.
Is it really freedom or are you escaping?
Listen to my voice.
Kuya, love is so amazing kaya. Can't wait to be a mom.
Anong iningiti-ngiti mo dyan? Kinikilig ka na ba sa akin?
Alam mo kasi, feeling ko parang nasa getting to know stage na tayo, no?
May sapak ka na. I wanna spend my whole life with someone.
I met someone. A beautiful girl. Nakaramdam ko, somehow, buhay ako.